Don, why are you always like this? What we talked about is 50 million, not this 20 million you drop here. Yeah?
This is what I have. It's either you take it or you go to hell.
You're talking about her modeling here. But don't you think you are supposed to be taking care of me? Yeah? You continue taking care of me before my last day. You know I live a careless life. I drink, I smoke, I womanize. Ika can just come one day, knock me off, and I'm off your neck. Instead of all these unnecessary threats.
I'm not threatening you, Cherry. I am telling you what would happen to you. You don't deserve to live. You are a miserable blackmailer, and I will take you out myself.
Don't you know you can't do me anything? You can't possibly kill me because I'm a cat with 9 lives. And I can't die in your hands. You know why? I can't predict all your moves. I live my life the way I like, and that's my religion. See, instead of all this too many talk, just make up this money and forget about this God thing, Kaman thing, because I don't belong in that category.
Look at you. You want all the money that you have stole from me. Look at you. Your life is miserable. And you're going to die like this. Miserably. As for me, I'm going to live a very good life. Yes, I will have a wife, I'll have children, and live a very fulfilled life. But you are going to die a miserable death. No wife, no child, nothing for posterity. Nothing. That is a sum of 20 million.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.